everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this rotary round motif. You can use this motif in many projects. I use 4.5 millimeters hook, 4.5 millimeters yarns in two colors. Make a slip knot, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip knot and chaining. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert your hook into first chain, pull through two yarns together, make a ring. Make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, stitch first round in this ring. Yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through two yarns together, yarn over, pull through two yarns together. Yarn over and repeat. Pull through two yarns, pull through two yarns, yarn over, high tail of yarn under stitches. Pull through, yarn over, pull through, and repeat. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet, 6 double crochet, 7 double crochet, 8 double crochet, 9, 10, 11. With this first chains we have 12 stitches in total. Insert your hook into top of first chains, pull through and slip a stitch. We made 12 stitches in total. Make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, go to first stitch, pull up yarn, pull through two yarns. In here change yarn, change color, pull through two yarns together, make a chain. Continue like this. Take these yarns under stitch, yarn over, go to next stitch, insert your hook into next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through, change color, pull through, make a chain. Take these yarns, hide yarns under stitch, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, change color, make a chain. I show, take yarns, hide these yarns under stitches, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through, change color, pull through, make a chain. Yarn over, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, change color. We made 2 double crochet, 1 chain in each stitch, 2 double crochet, make a chain, 2 double crochet, make a chain, 2 double crochet, make a chain, and repeat like this until here. Complete this round. I made this stitch in here, change color, make a chain, go to last stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through, change yarn, pull through, make a chain in here, and take this yarn under a stitch like this, go to top of first chains, insert your hook, take this yarns, pull up yarn, hold this yarn on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. In here, continue like this, yarn over, take these chains on your hook, make first stitch around these chains. I show, insert your hook, take this stitch on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together. In here we make front post double crochet around first stitch, yarn over, skip this stitch, we make chains in here in this row, go to these chains, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, change color, make a chain, take first stitch on your hook, insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, front post, skip this stitch, go to this chain, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, take this yarn on your hook, change color, make a chain, front post, take this stitch on your hook, skip this stitch, go to here, make 1 double crochet, pull up yarn, change color, one, two, change yarn, pull through, make a chain, I show, make a chain, take this yarns, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, take first stitch on your hook like this, pull up yarn, pull through, make front post double crochet around front post double crochet. In first row we have 12 stitches, in second we have 24, in third row we have 36 stitches in total. In here make 1 front post, continue like this. In previous row we continue like this, 1 front post, 2 stitch, 1 front post, 2 stitch. In here we make 1 front post, skip these 2 stitches, go to here, make 1, 2, 3, add 1 more stitch, in here change color, make a chain, yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, make front post, skip 2 stitches, go to this chain. We have chains in here. Make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, add 1 more stitch, change color, make a chain and repeat. 1 front post, skip this stitch, go to this chain, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, change color, make a chain, take front post, make 1 double crochet, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, change color, make a chain and repeat. I made this stitch, skip this stitch, go to here, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, pull up yarn, pull through, change yarn, make 1 chain, go to this, I show this chain, pull up yarn, take this yarn under stitch, pull through, yarn over, make front post, skip 3 stitches, go to here, this chain, we made chains in here, go to this chain, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, pull up yarn, change color, pull through, make a chain, make front post, skip this stitch, go to chain and repeat like this. Make like this. I made 4 stitches in here, front post 4 stitches, front post 4 stitches, make a chain and repeat same as before rows. I make more rows like this in here. In next row add 1 more stitch in here, make 5 stitches, in next stitch 6 stitch and continue like this, make larger than this size. I made this rows, you can make more rows and make larger than this size, add to these stitches. In here we have 4 stitches, in next row 5, 6. In here I made front post, in last row continue like this, make front post, yarn over, go to this chain same as before rows, pull up yarn, make double crochet stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this stitch we have 5 stitches. In here pull up this yarn, like this. I show change color, make a chain, make front post, skip this stitch, pull this yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, pull this yarn, make a chain and repeat. I show pull these yarns in last row. I made this stitch, change color, make a chain, go to first chains, slip stitch, show